Welcome friends. Today's video we are going to see why this public method is public static void and main and string array as arguments. So here if we see public allows the method to be called from the outside the class and public because the Java runtime environment need to call this method outside class, so it must be public. Then second point is static. Static allows the method to be called without creating instance of the class, means without creating any object of the class. JVM will call this method. And static keyword means that the method belong to the class, not to any specific instance of the class. So this is necessary because the Java runtime environment need to call this method without creating object of the class. By making it static, we can call it as using class name directly. Then void because specifies that the method does not return anything to the JVM. So void keyword means that the it does not return any value. The main method serve as the entry point for the application and does not need to return any value to the Java runtime environment. That's why this is the void. Then next main is a starting main, the name main method that serve as a entry point. So it is a starting point for any Java application. So main is a special identifier that the Java runtime environment looks for as a starting point of our program. The main method name must be main for the Java runtime environment to recognize and execute it. Then next is a string array of arguments. So here an array of string argument passed from the command line. That's why that string array of arguments we can use as a, and this string this parameter is an array of string object. It allows the Java runtime to pass command line argument to the program when it starts. This argument can be accessed inside the main method of the array of string values. So therefore, this is the method we call it as a public static void main. That's all from this video, guys. If you like the content of the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.